and checked my worries at your gate. 'Cause I just came to tell you I'm leaving this place, and I wanna drive far until I see that I burned out my battery. But that would be the worst case, indeed. And I'm getting lost, and I'm going blind. There's blue columbine, we'll fall in love down the line, over spirits and wine. Then I wanna be a hippie for a day or two, sell my clothes and all my shoes, and I could pack up a sleeping bag and roll a few sleeping bags, obviously. Go to San Francisco and the Big Sur too. I'm in LA and the San Diego ocean wash away my new hairdo. And I'm getting lost, and I'm going blind. There's blue columbine, we'll fall in love down the line, over spirits and wine, if I find the time.
Waking up, I feel the light upon my face. My heart is ready and I'm staying in this place. I am in love, another day I am blessed. Another moment with a breath inside my chest. Wash away all of the sorrows of the past, 'cause this joy that's in my life is meant to last. And now I'll sing a brand new song of victory and shout it out until the whole world's living free. So let's wake up, let hope rise and come near. Let's live our lives with the freedom from fear, and working together we can rise above and feel the love and feel the love and feel the love. Always remember we share the same earth. It's no one's alone, but we share it by birth. Let's stand up to be all that we have dreamed of, and feel the love and feel the love and feel the love, yeah. And feel the love, yeah. Feel the love, and feel the love. I've decided that it's love I always choose, 'cause when we choose anything else we'll always lose. So look again when you have judged at the first glance. All of us at some point need a second chance. We have to challenge all the thoughts that we now think. Is there poison in the cup from which we drink? And if you ask me how to save our fellow man, oh, we all thrive if we let love become the plan. So let's wake up, let hope rise and come near. Let's live our lives with the freedom from fear, and working together we can rise above and feel the love and feel the love and feel the love. Always remember we share the same earth. It's no one's alone, but we share it by birth. Let's stand up to be all that we have dreamed of, and feel the love of today.